Good morning students. Today we will going to start our chapter. We are going to start our chapter, that is chapter number 7, rocks and minerals, and we will do today that what are rocks made up of, and in kinds of rock we will study the formation of igneous rocks. So starting with the first topic of this chapter, that what are rocks made up of. So basically rocks are made up of minerals. And what are mineral? Mineral is a natural non-living substance. So what is mineral? The mineral is a natural non-living substance. So a rock may contain one or more minerals. The type of rock depend on the quality, quantity and arrangement of minerals in it. According to the formation of rocks, it is of three types. Okay. So first of all, coming to the rocks, rocks are made up of which things? Simply how we can write these things in this way. We can write that rocks are basically made up of minerals. And what are mineral? Mineral is a natural non-living substance. There are variety of minerals found in nature. What is rock? Rock or stone, it is a hard material which is made up of one or more minerals. So this is the definition of mineral and rock. Mineral is natural non-living substance, and rock is that which is an hard material and which is made up of either one kind of mineral or the combination of two or more than two kind of minerals. And these rocks make up outer layer of the earth called the crust. So rocks are responsible to make the outer layer of the earth, which we call it as an crust. We all know that there are three layers of earth. The outer one is crust, and middle one is the mantle, and the inner one is the core. So these rocks are responsible to form the outer layer, that is the crust. So there are various kind of minerals are there and various kind of rocks are there. So these are some examples of rock which I am showing you here. This is an glacial conglomerate, this is an banded iron, this is sandstone, this is shale, this is anthracite, this is chalk, and this is shelly limestone. So these all are example of different kind of rocks, and we will going to discuss about the main three type of rocks in this chapter. Now minerals, if we are talking about minerals are also of number of there are number of varieties of minerals, and some of the examples you can see that olivine, this augite, this muscovite, K feldspar, this plagioclase, biotite, these all are example of minerals. And the rocks are basically made up of one or more than two kind of minerals. So these minerals basically they plays a very important role in case of rocks. That the type of rock, as I have told you in the introduction of chapter, there are basically three types of rock on the basis of that what kind of minerals they are made up of. So first of all, the type of rock depend upon the quality of the mineral, that about what kind of quality of what is the quality of mineral. Second, it is depend upon the quantity of mineral, that how much amount of minerals are present in particular rock. And third, it depend upon the arrangement of minerals, that how that minerals are arranged in the rock. So all these three qualities plays an important role in the determination of type of rock. So what are that property? Quality of mineral, quantity of minerals, and arrangement of minerals in the rock. Now we will going to discuss about the igneous rocks, and before that you should know that kinds of rocks. So I have told you that on the basis of the minerals there are three kind of rocks: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rocks. So today we will going to discuss the first kind of rock, that is igneous rock. So what are igneous rocks? Igneous rocks form the base for all form of land. So igneous rocks, they are responsible for forming the base of all forms of land like plains, mountain, ocean beds. These are kind of land. So these rocks form the base of all kind of land forms. And how they are formed? Basically they are formed by the cooling and hardening of hot liquid rock material. How they are formed? They are formed by cooling and hardening of hot liquid rock material. So what does this mean? The hot liquid rock like material which is present inside the earth, when it becomes cool and after cooling it becomes hard, it referred to as the formation of the igneous rocks. Now we will going to discuss the formation of igneous rock in detail. So this is the simply that how the igneous rocks are formed. First of all, that deep in the ground is molten rock called magma. So I am telling you about that what it is made up of. They are made up of the molten rock. And what we call to that molten rock? That molten rock which is present inside the earth, that is known as magma. And what happens? These magma it is burst and it comes to the surface of earth during volcanic eruptions. So what happened? Due to volcanic eruption, whenever there is any volcano eruption is there, this magma it burst through the surface, causing magma to come on the surface of earth. So due to volcanic eruptions, what happened? This magma it burst and it come to the surface of earth. And due to this magma, two kinds of rocks are formed. We have categorized into two kind of igneous rock. One we call it as extrusive igneous rock and other one is known as intrusive igneous rocks. So when the magma cool above the surface, then what kind of rocks are formed? Extrusive igneous rocks form. When magma cools below the surface of earth, then what kind of rocks are formed? Intrusive igneous rocks are formed. So this is just the classification of igneous rocks on the formation of the, you can say, the position of magma. If the magma cools above the surface of earth, it form extrusive igneous rock, and if it cools before the surface of earth, then they will form intrusive igneous rocks. Now you should know the difference between magma and lava. This magma and lava word, they are interrelated. Magma, I have already told you that the hot liquid rock that lies in the huge underground pockets of the earth. So the hot liquid rock which lies inside the earth, that is known as magma. Now what is lava? So when this magma reaches the surface of earth, when due to volcanic eruption or due to any other reason, when this magma it reaches to the surface of the earth, then this magma is termed as lava. So this is all about that how the formation of igneous rocks takes place, and this I will tell you with the help of one of the picture also. See this picture clearly. What is this? This is, they have shown the inside of earth, and this is, they have shown the mountain. So what happened during volcanic eruption? This magma, this is the magma, hot liquid material which is present inside the earth, which is shown in this red color. This magma it comes on the surface of earth during what? Volcanic eruptions, and two kind of rocks are formed: intrusive igneous rock and extrusive igneous rock. Intrusive igneous rocks, when the magma is solidified inside the earth only, and extrusive igneous rock, when magma it comes on the surface of earth. What we call to the magma when it comes on the surface of earth, we refer to as an lava. So when it solidify, it form what kind of rocks? Extrusive igneous rocks. So this is all about the formation of igneous rocks, and tomorrow we will going to discuss about the types of igneous rocks also. So this is all about that what is rock, what is mineral, and how rocks are classified on the basis of the types of mineral. And lastly we have done that what are igneous rocks and how igneous rocks are formed. Igneous rocks are of again of two type: extrusive and intrusive igneous rocks. So this is all about today's topic, and you have to complete your homework in this, and this is your homework, and this homework you can see in the assignment tab of your SMDP app. There are two videos that you have to see today. One is about the introduction of the chapter and other is about the igneous rock. Thank you and have a nice day.